back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sandra and nice to meet you. So today I'm going to be sharing how onion juice and aloe vera really help me grow and thicken my hair. Like, I didn't even know about this not until I come across this video for like 2 months ago when she used onion juice on her hair. I was like, what? Onion juice? Like, we all know how onion juice can smell and all stuff like that. I was like, wow, let me try this. Let me see how it's going to be. Like, if you have been following me, if you watch my hair wash day routines, I'm going to put some of the clip here so you guys can see how my hair was really looking in that video. I used to have a very healthy hair, not until suddenly everything started pulling, everything started removing. I don't know what happened. Some people tell me maybe because I was using too much of relaxer, that is why my hair was removing. I don't really know, but I tried to look for something to grow back the hair, but the hair was not coming out normal. So I just decided to cut it off and start all over again. But when I started using these onions and aloe vera, I really see the difference. Like, as you guys can see, you can see how my hair edges is really growing up heavier and thicker now, and like, I'm really proud like the way the hair is growing back again. Yeah, so I just thought of, okay, why don't me share with you guys, if I didn't even come across that video, like that video was made about 4-5 years ago. I don't even know. I only know about water rice. Like, I know that water rice do grow hair and all stuff like that, but I don't really know about these onions, not until I come across that video. So I just thought of, okay, why not me share with my audience? Maybe if they will have idea of it, or maybe it might help 1 or 2 person as well. Like, it helped me. So I would have shared the video like a month ago, but I just decided to hold on, let me see how the result is coming out before I share it with you guys. I love the way the result really comes out. Like, I'm proud of my hair right now. Like, before, I'm always putting wig. I can't even leave my hair like that. Like, the hair was all removing, pulling off. So I hope this video helped 1 or 2 person. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's actually free, and give this video a thumbs up, and let's dive into this video. So for this DIY, I'm going to be using 2 onion and aloe vera. Guys, take a look at this aloe vera, very big and fresh. So I'm going to cut that into 2 because I'm not going to be using everything. And I start by peeling off the back of the onions. So for these onions, I'm going to be using the red / purple one. You can use the yellow one, or let me say the white one. Anyone that you have at home is good to go for it. So I'm going to dice the onion and pop them into my blender. I'm also going to cut out my aloe vera, and I'm going to be needing just the juice inside. I know some people do blend it with the back, but let me know in the comment section if you do that as well. So once I'm through with that, I just go ahead and put my aloe vera into my blender and add a little water and just blend together with the onions. I'm not going to be boiling it. I'm only just going to blend. So this is the stocking cap I'm going to be using to just drain out the juice. You can use anything, when you are taking out the juice, the onions is not going to come out with heat. So that is it. I'm just going to transfer it into this empty spray bottle. So once I'm done transferring it into my bottle, I just go ahead and spray that into my scalp, spray that all over my hair. So the most important thing is that you make sure you massage it into your scalp very well. You don't really need a comb for this. You can just use your hand to do the job, and you are going to see the result. Like, your hair will be so moisturized and very, very soft.
Some type of way, I'm losing my mind. And no saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right.
So basically, that is how I applied it on my hair. I just kind of leave it for some time like this. I can go cleaning, do my stuff, just leave it like this for some time, for some minutes, and after I washed it off and kind of put my oil, my treatment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next one. Peace and bye.